In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test an order in Woocommerce. Testing your Woocommerce orders is a crucial step when setting up your online store, ensuring that everything is functioning correctly before you go live. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in your ability to manage and test orders on your Woocommerce platform. First things first, go to WordPress.com. This is where it all begins, because Woocommerce is a plugin for WordPress, and having an account here is necessary. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click it. You'll need to enter your credentials to access the platform. Make sure you have your login information handy so you can get started without any delays. Now that you are logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your site, from posts to plugins and overall site settings. Familiarity with the dashboard is important, as it's where you'll execute most of your tasks, including testing Woocommerce orders. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Woocommerce option in the dashboard sidebar. Woocommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin that allows you to sell anything beautifully. It's essential for setting up your online store and managing your orders. Once you click on Woocommerce, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings to enter the section where most of the important configurations are made. Within the Woocommerce settings, click on the Payments tab. This is where you set up various payment methods that your customers can use to pay for products or services. If you're not sure which payment options to offer, consider what will be most convenient for your customers and also ensure secure transactions. After you've set up your payment options, keep an eye out for an option labeled See Advanced Options. Clicking it will reveal additional settings that can give you more control over your payment system. These advanced settings are useful for fine-tuning how your payment process works and ensuring you can accommodate various transaction types. In the advanced options, you'll see an option to Enable Sandbox Mode. Clicking this will allow you to test transactions in a safe environment that mimics live transactions, without any real money changing hands. Sandbox Mode is a valuable tool for ensuring your setup is working as intended and for catching any potential issues before your store goes live. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of testing orders in Woocommerce. By following these steps, you've ensured that your store's order functionality operates smoothly, providing a seamless shopping experience for your customers when your store goes live. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!